Could you take us through or walk us through on how that operation was handled then and as compared to the situation of Senator De La Rosa now?
Well, what I can definitively tell you is my experience. Pero kung compare dito sa nangyari sa Senado, this is something that will be on shaky grounds because I may not have the full data on these operations. But on our part, during the time, I'm very sure that I have the warrant. I already have the warrant. I have the e-copy of the warrant. So, and we have the coordination with the PCTC. We have the run-through with the NAIA personnel the day before. We have, we have all this preparation already because we are very sure and we are already, there's already a decision to serve the warrant to the former president upon his arrival from Hong Kong. So, alam na namin yun. So, napaghandaan namin at nakapag-meeting na rin kami ng mga units na aking gagamitin para sa implementation na ito. Tsaka, even before it was given to me formally, when I was appointed as the head of the CIDG, I already know that there's a very big possibility that if there's a warrant that will come out, I'll be the one who will be tasked to implement it. So, even as early as January, I'm already prepared for it. And even without the order or even without yung utos ba or imprimatur ng mga boss ko, I already anticipated that it will be given to me. And of course, if there's a mission given to me, I just don't want to fail because I failed to plan. So I planned it properly, even without the actual release of the warrant yet.